Hello everyone and welcome back to another Cell to Singularity Beyond video. So, it's a week on since I filmed the last one of these, and as you can see, it's collected a lot of stuff while I was offline, and it is a lot. I mean, as we can see, 742, I think that's quadrillion, I'm not exactly sure, but I did find out these options here change the... So the reason why I didn't understand what was going on is because I had the custom one on. But if I can just go to normal, it's a little more easy to understand, as we can see. So, yeah, we'll stay on that. So that's, I believe that's quadrillion. So there we are. But just going on to, before we hop onto the actual menu itself, so just going on to, where are we, the achievements here. Or the missions, I should say. So I've also, I unlocked a new slot as well, so we can now do 3 at a time. So I did a dark matter one, so we'll get the reward from that. I also leveled up Phobos again, so that's level 7, so that's done. And then lastly, I also had a dwarf star we researched at the beginning of last episode as well. So there we go, cool. So we've got some more cards there. Ooh, a new Europa card. Okay, so line E are fractures in Europa's crust that appear as dark grey red streaks on the smooth grey surface. This may cause Europa's subsurface ocean rotating more slowly than its exterior layer because of the gravitational pull from Jupiter. Yeah, because remember, Jupiter, I mean, if you take Io, for example, Jupiter, poor Io, I mean, it gets shredded out by that. So, really insane stuff. But there we go. So we've got some more missions. Let's see what we can research. I mean, it's a little weird how the scroll wheel isn't working. So the highest we can do now is 12 hours for that. I guess we'll just go Phobos again. Just give us more Mars discounts, which is good. Another dwarf star. And then lastly, we'll go for another dark matter. Actually, why not? We'll get that researched while we're here. We'll just throw the cheeky boost on, why not? So there you go. So what else have we got? I know I don't need any of that. And then here else, we had the achievements. So I think it was that snow moon. So we had, this was a new achievement I got. So Vesta's surface resembles that of Earth's moon with many light and dark patches. Probes have identified these plants of basalt rock, indicating that lava may have once flowed on the asteroid's surface. So that's pretty cool there. We can also see Moonstruck. Sirius is the only... Oh no, did we already have that one? Sirius is the only dwarf planet with no moons. Pluto, Iris, Haumea, and Makemake have at least one moon. This may be due to the pull of gravitational of Mars and Jupiter. Prevents large asteroids from accumulating into larger bodies. Yeah, so there's that. I think asteroid belt. I think we already got this one, but there are over 100,000 known objects. These range from dwarf planet Sirius, their tiny particles are dust. Yeah, I think we had that. And then I think Jupiter. This was a new one. So the Jovial Jovian. In the 1910s, English composer Gustav Holst wrote his well-known suite, The Planets. And yeah, I've actually made videos on this as well. My Voyage to the Outer Planets and Beyond video, that all has the music from this, this suite of the planets. So each piece in the series represents a different celestial body. Jupiter, the bringer of jollity, is the most famous and popular of these melodies. And yeah, the Planet Suite. Good music. Go ahead and listen to it. It's really, really fantastic stuff. So there you go. We already had that achievement, and I don't think we have any more down here. Yeah, we had those guys. Okay, cool. Right, so there's all of our achievements right now. So that's all of that done. So as we can see, stuff to level up. We'll just go on the missions here. Oh, so let's just do that. So Saturn, we'll be able to get Saturn today. So let's go ahead and check out what we needed to do. So we needed to rank up the asteroid belt first. So we'll buy the rank. So rank up the asteroid belt. Let's do it. So where are we? Asteroid belt. Oh, we can rank up. Oh yeah, I already had it leveled. I just didn't press it. So there we are. So dark matter. So we got that done. So we've unlocked Saturn. Then we'll rank out Europa. So where are Europa? Can we afford it? Yes, we can. Perfect. So let's rank you up. So there we go. More stuff for that. Perfect. Next quest was rank up Vesta. So that was part of the quest we're going to need to do with Saturn. So Vesta, we can't actually afford Vesta yet. So even with a week of grinding out, still don't have enough to do it. That's crazy. So we can't do that yet. We can't. Okay, so rank up Venus. Did I do Venus? I can't remember if I. No. Okay. Oh, Io's got a boost. Let's go. Oh yeah. Here we are. New discovery for Io. Cool. Volcanic mountains. The gravity of Jupiter and the other Galilean moons pull an Io in different directions, causing internal friction. The result is extreme geological activity. The turmoil of Io's interior has created many active volcanoes on the moon's surface. There you are. Okay. So Io's boosting. So we've done all that. I also had Callisto. Or Ganymede. That was Ganymede. Actually, I already had that paid for, and so I just need to rank it up manually. So there it is. And also had, that was Ceres. I had this, I paid for this one as well. So let's get that one. Cool. And that's the moon. We also had that one done. So let's go ahead and do that. And that's everything. So we're all caught up on those. So what I did was I just purchased them, but I didn't actually level them up. So there we are. Oh, another gold thing. Why not? So let's get that. Right. So this is where we stand at the moment. So I'm just going to look at the cards of all the other objects. So, okay, we can't afford anything there. Okay, so we can upgrade this. We can rank up carbon type as well. Fragmentation, let's rank you up. And then we've got loads of stuff to unlock for Jupiter's moons. Let's just go ahead and buy all of these. Low radiation, increased Callisto. Callisto's distance from Jupiter means it receives less radiation from the other Jupiter moons. Its orbit outside of Jupiter's radiation belt. Oh yeah, we already read this. Makes it safer for human exploration in the possible future. Then we've also got the new card for Europa. Let's go ahead and level you up. And then Io's perk, Volcanic Mountains. Perfect. So that's mainly all of the Jupiter Galilean moons done. So that's cool. Right, so Saturn. Hello there. There he is. So this was the last planet in the solar system for a very long time before Uranus was discovered in, I think it was 1846. Or was that Neptune? I can't remember. Yeah, Uranus and Neptune, they were discovered in recent times. But yeah, Saturn and everything closer than Saturn, we've known these for a very long time. So here we are. Cool. So Saturn is often called the jewel of the solar system because of its unique and beautiful appearance. Composed mostly of gas, Saturn is known for visibly striking rings. There he is, yes. Hello there. Awesome. So Saturn. So we've also unlocked another dwarf star. That was our next mission we did. So there it is. So HD 29499. Perfect. Got a cube from that. Cool. Nice. Right, so now our next goal is rank up Saturn and rank up Vesta. Right. So Saturn, we're going to have to do that manually. We can get Titan unlocked. Actually, let's go. There you are. Right, so celestial body discovered Titan. So obviously the second largest moon in the solar system, the only one with a thick atmosphere. Right, so Saturn's largest moon. Titan is also the only moon in the solar system with a dense atmosphere and stable bodies of liquid on its surface. The subterranean oceans beneath its frozen surface may contain microbial life. Heck yeah, so there you go, Saturn, hello. So we have Titan in orbit as well. So we can see it's Titan with its clouds X-ray. So that's the surface of Titan. There's no clouds visible. Cool. Alright, so we're going to have to obviously manually do that as well. So how long does a Saturn orbit take? Oh, it takes 20 minutes. How long? A Titan obviously will be quicker than that. 18 seconds. Okay, cool. Right, so, we've got another mission done. Okay, so we collected the Stardust already, so we need to rank up Titan. Mimas, okay, so what do we do for Mimas? Mimas is a very small moon, only 396 kilometers in diameter, with a surface area slightly smaller than that of the country of Spain. It is most likely ice and features a massive crater named after the moon's discoverer, William Herschel. So yeah, the Herschel crater. Oh, gold thing. Yep, why not? Oh, and we can also do that. So let's do that. Jupiter's got a boost. There you go. Okay, let's get out of the way. So Titan, I have to manually obviously do that. Okay, so we're getting good progress with everything there. All right. So how do we do this Mimas thing? Unknown. I think that's Enceladus. So Mimas. Oh, astronomy mission. So I think that is these things. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll get rid of the dwarf star for now. Ah, there you go. Okay, cool. So that takes 5 minutes. So like Phobos around Mars, you have to sort of research Mimas to unlock it. You don't have to level it up like the other ones. All right, that's cool. So Mimas is like a little sub-quest. That's cool. So Mimas... Is Mimas actually in the simulation yet? No, it isn't. Okay. So it's just Titan at the moment. That's cool, though. So I like it. Right. So first quest is obviously we need to rank up Saturn. So by rank, let's go. Heck yeah. So Saturn leveled up. New discovery. Oh, I'm guessing it's got to be ammonia crystals. Saturn's pale yellow colour comes from the ammonia crystals in the atmosphere. These crystals form clouds similar to those found on Jupiter. So obviously, so Jupiter and Saturn are obviously the most similar in sort of composition, remember? So that's cool. So does this automate Saturn? Yes, it does. Saturn's, yep, cool. Let's go. Nice. Okay, good. All claim. What's this? Oh, cool. We've done this one already. So what we got next? I'll just go back to the dwarf star, I guess. So cool. Nice, okay, good. So let's actually have a little look around. So remember, if you want to speed up things, you have to go to here and do this. Maximum speed, let's go. So Saturn, obviously going to take a lot longer to orbit the sun than all the other ones, so cool. So this was the original sort of solar system for a long time, before we discovered Uranus and Neptune and everything further. So this was it at one point. This was all there was. So pretty cool. Okay, Titan. Yeah, we need to get the card unlocked for Titan because we're just going to keep having to manually do it. So we can actually buy the rank for Titan. You know what? Let's do it. I just want to get the automated thing unlocked. So there you go. New discovery. So it must be something to do with the atmosphere. Yep, dense lunar atmosphere. So Titan is the only moon to have a dense atmosphere composed mainly of nitrogen, methane in the upper atmosphere. Interacts with ultraviolet light to create a thick orange smoke that hides the moon's surface. Oh, we've got some more constellations. Cool. So there you go. So now we can automate Titan. Yes, there you go. Right, so we'll buy another rank for Saturn. So I think we need this on level 3, don't we, to beat the mission? Oh, we can get it straight to level 3. Perfect. Cool. So there's that. So we've got more of those cards. We can get ammonia upgraded. So rank up Saturn. So we need to rank up Vesta still. So 732. Oh, that's expensive. The next mission. Okay, so we can do Titan in the meantime, actually. So we'll get you straight up there. Perfect. Okay, so Titan is 2.51 SX. I think that's sextillion. So we're on quintillion. The next one's sextillion, I believe. Oh, Mimas is done. Yes. Cool. So does that unlock Mimas? There you go. Hey, it did. So Mimas unlocked. Cool. Mission available. So I guess we can keep researching Mimas. Yes, we can. Cool. So that will keep giving us. So what is Mimas's perk actually? What does it say? Oh, it's a discount for Saturn like Phobos does for Mars. Okay, cool. Oh, another upgrade for Titan. Let's go. So where is good old Mimas? Mimas? So you're quite close to... I mean, it's practically in the rings, remember, Mimas. It does sit very close. Oh, look how big Titan is. Oh, that's cool. That's a nice view of Saturn. Very nice. Okay, excellent. That's cool. All right. So Vesta is our next sort of quest. Okay. So it's got to be Vesta, hasn't it? I mean, is there anything else we can do in the meantime? Oh, we've done this. We've done whatever that was. Rank up Venus as well. Titan, Vesta, Venus. That's all we got to do. Right. Okay. Okay, so we're all clear on that. So Venus is expensive as well. Right. Okay, so I guess what we can do in the meantime. So everything's working nicely. So we got this boost on, so that's good. But what we can do is, why don't we treat ourselves to another blue star? Why not? Let's do it. Another blue star. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's go. Guess I can keep... there you go. Alright, what are we going to get? Going to get a star we know? Let's see what we get. Okay, here we are. Right, here it is. Rigel. Hey, Rigel. That's also a star we know very well. Alright, cool. So that gives us dark matter, speed of light. Oh, cool. A new discovery. What do we got? Failed stars. Increased gas giant pale. Gas giants are planets made of hydrogen and helium. Unlike the same basic elements as a star. Unlike stars, they never experience the conditions necessary to trigger nuclear fusion. Instead, they exist as layers of hydrogen around a molten core. Yep, so they didn't have enough mass to start the fusion process. That's why. So, pretty cool. Okay. Nice. They give us cards, don't they, the stars? So that's cool. Got more constellations. Cool. Okay. So, oh, another gold thing. Give me the gold thing. There you go. Right, cool. Okay, so did we unlock... Oh, we can upgrade the speed of light. To increase celestial body speed. Oh, sweet. Let's go. Okay. So we've done that. So we can rank up sulfuric clouds on Venus. Clockwise rotation. A sea of tranquility on the moon. Dark side on the moon. Oxygenated atmosphere. Perfect. Rocky exoplanets for Vesta. Well, I say exoplanets, protoplanets. Cryovolcanoes on Ceres. Callisto's got a boost. Let's activate that. Okay, failed stars. Cool. So we can rank that up. So increased gas giant payout. Cool. Nice. Okay, so we've got a boost there, and then everything else we are caught up on. All right. So what I want to have a look on is I want to look on here as well. So I want to see if there's anything else we can do. So we last episode we got Cancer. So the crab. So that's terrestrial planets. So is there any other ones that we can afford that give us stuff? So increased moon speed. We can afford that. So that could be quite good actually, because we have quite a good amount of moons. Sagittarius, dwarf planet. We don't need that. Celestial body speed. So that's Scorpio. Capricorn. We don't have enough for. So just want to see if any we can afford. Ah, Aries. Increased star speed. And that's quite a cheap one. Is it worth upgrading the sun, though? I think the moons would be better to do, honestly. Gas, planet speed. Increase astronomy mission speed. No, I think we need to do this one. Libra. Library represents a pair of weighing scales. Its appearance begins, it begins the autumn equinox when day and night are equal lengths. Libra is the home to the star system Gliese 581, and that is, considered one of the best candidates to life on other planets. Because Gliese 581c, I think it is, the exoplanet. But what we're going to do is we are going to go for it because I want to get that moon buff. So let's do it. And then the last star, bang. Cool. And that gives us a reward as well. So there it is. Cool. Nice. So what's this one? Oh, we were working on that as well. Sagittarius. We've already paid 4 for that, but we don't really need dwarf planets because we don't have any yet. I mean, I guess Ceres counts, but it's just that one. Increase click power. That could be quite a good one to get. Increase star speed. You know what? I think we'll invest because it's cheap. We can get this one ready. So we only need one more to get Aries unlocked. Okay. Cool. So, okay, gold thing, thank you. Nice, okay, that's good. So that's, now our moons are a lot quicker. As you can see, all the moons are just going absolutely crazy, so that's good. Man, look how long Saturn's orbit takes, that's crazy. Okay, right, so where were we? So, by the rank, as you can see, the moons are going absolutely crazy speeds now. Titan's giving us good speed. So Mimas doesn't register in here either, so that does play like Phobos then, so you don't get any extra from that. It just gives you the discount things. Okay, so Vesta. So how expensive is Vesta? So that was 732, and we currently have 564, but that is increasing very, very fast. So what we can do is just give the game a hand and just get extra speed. So it's going to take a bit of a while, but I mean, this should be a fairly fast process here. I mean, there isn't really much we can do, but I think what we can do in the meantime as well, let's treat ourselves to a yellow star as well. Why not? We've already had a red star, we've had a blue star. Let's go with a yellow one. So that will hopefully give us some more cards. So that's cool. So here we are. So Saddle Melek. I've not heard of this one before. So it's a G-type star. Cool. So that gives us more cards. Okay, cool. So is that enough to upgrade Io by any chance? Yes, it is. So that speeds up Io. Cool. Okay. Good, good. So, okay, we still, yeah, so everything's very expensive now. Wowee, that's crazy. Oh, Mimas. Oh, yeah, cool. Right. Oh, yeah, Mimas is almost done. Okay, so that's the Saturn discount, isn't it? Reduce Saturn costs. Ah, okay, cool. Nice. Back to the system graph. Anything flying around? No golden asteroids yet. Okay, cool. God, I really like the way Saturn looks in this game. I have to say, I think that does look cool. So Saturn, look how fast Mimas is going. Wow, cool. So orbit produces after 2 minutes 34. Oh yeah, because we have the boosting on, isn't it? So that speeds up the orbit speeds as well. So that's cool. Oh, I wasn't meant to press that. That was bad. Okay, that wasn't much of a... Yeah, don't press the planets. Don't do that. Okay. We can upgrade Mercury again. Nah, it's not worth, I don't think, because it's not really part of our missions either, so we just need Vesta and Titan. So Titan is 2.51. Vesta is obviously cheaper at 732 quintillion. And then how much is Venus? Venus is 6.48 sextillion as well, so that is a huge, huge cost. So I think what I'll do, guys, I'll let the game run for a bit so it grinds it for us, and yeah, I'll be back with you once it is complete. Alright everyone, so I've just got Vesta. Vesta's just been finished, so we'll go ahead and unlock our new prize. So what was... I just pressed collect. What did we get? Oh, it was progress towards, I'm guessing Enceladus. Okay, that's cool. So if we could just see here, so that's done. So missions, all we have now is Titan and Venus. That's all we need to do. So, right, yeah, like I said, I'll be back with you guys once we have got all of the stuff ready, hopefully. So we've just got Mimas done as well, so I guess we'll keep doing Mimas. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys once we have grinded enough. And this, I don't know how long this is going to take, but we need a lot, obviously, to afford that. And it looks like the Mimas actually made Titan's cost cheaper as well. So I'm guessing reduced Saturn cost. I think that means it for the whole system, actually. So yeah, that's now cheaper for Titan, which is good. And obviously Venus is still going to be very expensive. But yeah, Titan is now cheaper. So yeah, I'll be with you guys once we have got that ready. Okay, everyone. So we have got Titan. So that's all up to level 3 now. So as we can see, we've unlocked what I'm assuming is in Enceladus. So we're going to go ahead and check it out. Whoa, it's going very quick. Look at this. Wowee. Okay, so Enceladus. Right. Oh my god, it's going really quick. Oh man. So there you go. So let's get that. Okay. Right, so Saturn. Hello. Right. Oh, that's going too quickly now. Oh man. Let's go up to 219 days now. Okay. So let's slow things down to, I don't know, 14 days. I think that's yeah, that's a little better. Right, okay. So rank up Venus is the last achievement, which we can do right now. So let's just do it. Let's just get right in there. So there you go. So that's that done. Okay, so that is, I think that's everything we've beaten this stage then. Yes, alright. So if we check in here, there's Enceladus. Hey look, I just click it and it's instant orbits. So Enceladus has an icy, highly reflective surface. It is covered in geysers, hitting and a hydrothermal activity or even an ocean that could be harbour nutrients or organic molecules. Alright, cool. So that's Enceladus done, and then other than that, that's all of this quest line done actually. So we'll go ahead and open this. So this will give us our final reward for this stage. So we have got another red dwarf. So there you are, cool. So that gives us more cards, and that is that stage done. Upgrade universe, let's go. Done. Cool. So that's Saturn unlocked. So what are we doing next? Are we going to go to Uranus, or are we doing comets, or anything like that? This will be interesting. Right, so there we go. Saturn is done. Cool. So we're making good progress now. So we're in the outer solar system. We're getting loads more stuff unlocked. So where are we heading next? Right, let's wait and see. What have we got? Launching universe. Oh, we've got another star. See what we get this time. What have we got? Right, we've got a yellow star. We've got Kang. Okay. Luminosity 0. Huh, interesting. There you go. Oh, more constellations. Perfect. Okay, so what have we got next? Moving deeper through the outer solar system, everything seems to extend and slow. Okay. The distances from planet to planet stretch longer, the light of the sun grows fainter, and the hold of gravity lessens. Ahead, icy worlds await us. Oh, we're doing Uranus. Identify an ice giant. Ah, it must be Uranus. Let's go. Right. Okay, so sun also will get you alive straight away. We need to obviously click the back. That would probably help. There you go. Sun is alive. Perfect. So, just the sun. Hey. So first quest is rank up Venus. We can rank up nuclear fusion as well, so we'll get that done straight away. We'll just see how far we can go. So what's all these cards? Oh, okay. So Earth, Mars, asteroid belt. Okay, it's going to take a little time to grind that up, but there you go. We'll get the moon going. Golden thing. Thank you. So asteroid belt done. So we need to head to Jupiter next. That's 259 billion. Whoa. We can rank up the carbon type on asteroids. It's cool. While they're grinding out, oh, there was a boost there. Where are we? Venus. Yep, let's get that going. Why not? What I want to do is, oh my god. Oh yeah, look how quick Venus is going with the boost on. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so back on here. Yes, Aries. So we want to get this. This increases star speed. Let's do it. Let's get Aries completed. So that gives us an achievement as well. So there you go. Perfect. So the constellations in the Northern Hemisphere have names and legends dating back to antiquity. The histories of the constellations in the Southern Hemisphere are not as well documented. Because of this, many of them gain their modern names fairly recently. Okay, so there's Aries. So that's done. Cool. Alright, so back onto here. Jupiter we can buy. I just want to go... is it worth to go to Saturn? So it's probably best to get the moons, actually. As you can see, Io, Europa. Yes, we'll have to get those guys done first. So we're already in the trillions here. So that's good speed. Cool. Yeah, we'll get Jupiter's system unlocked before we do any of that. But I think one thing we can probably do is actually upgrade some of the stuff here, because they're all level 1s. Let's just get them... no, get some good... get the inner planets all sort of sorted first. So I won't pay anything higher than like 1 billion, I guess, for each of these. As soon as they start costing 1 billion, I won't get them anymore. So okay, so that'll hopefully give us yeah, that extends things. We'll get Io done first, then we'll go Europa. Then we'll go Ganymede, Callisto, then we'll work on Saturn. So that's good. And we still need to rank up Venus as well, so I guess we can maybe focus that as well. Just get that one more level, so we need 5.51 QA for that. Alright, so anything that costs 1 billion I will buy as well. So we'll do that now. That's in the trillions, billions, yeah. Anything that costs a billion is fine. Oh, Vesta, on that Ceres, sorry, has got a boost. There you go. Ganymede, we can get you unlocked. Let's go. Callisto, 3.73 QA. Okay, so quintillion or quadrillion. I'm not even sure anymore. So there you go. Let's get that done. That's cool. Okay, so we'll work on Saturn now. We've got all of Jupiter's moons going. Perfect. Vesta, we didn't get Vesta. There you go, Vesta. Sorry. There you are. Okay, so we're now at QA. We need 9.97 QA so we can get Saturn on the off the bat straight away. So let's get Saturn going. 9.97. There you are. Perfect. So there it is. Uranus. Or is it Uranus? I'm not sure, actually. Maybe it's a multi-quest. But there you are. So, Venus. So, 5.51 QA we need for that. Okay. So, after we get Venus done, I want to level everything else up as well. So, there it is. Done. So, this gives us another red dwarf by the looks of it. Okay. Perfect. Cool. Nice. Okay. So, that's Venus done. So, rank up Jupiter, upgrade a trait card. Right. So Jupiter. Okay, so yeah, what I want to do first though is, there's another card for the Sun we haven't unlocked yet. Okay, so everything that costs under, or everything that costs in the trillions, I'm going to buy now. But we'll get everything. So everything that costs a trillion, we need to unlock. So I want to keep everything sort of leveled up together. So as soon as it starts costing QA or something, we're not going to buy any more of those. So anything that costs trillions, we will buy. Jupiter will be make an exception for, because that is one that we need to do. So, yeah, anything that costs trillions, that's fine. A trillion, yep. Trillion, trillion, trillion. That's a trillion. The Sun's a trillion. Okay, cool. So everything is above a trillion now, cost-wise. Perfect. So I guess what we can do as well is get Enceladus on Titan started as well. But I think it's probably best to upgrade Jupiter first. But we do need more cards. We need another card, actually, to... Oh, there we go, We can upgrade Ceres. Perfect. Get that as well. Done. So, let's get Titan unlocked. Okay. Can we upgrade Jupiter? Yes, we can. So we just need one more level on Jupiter. So we need 1.97 quintillion for that. So that's going to take a bit more time to grind. I mean, so we're still in QA. Okay. Right. Any boosts going? Any golden things? Yes, there is a gold one. Perfect. That's given us a very nice boost, actually. So, Jupiter, we should be able to get you done. What are our other quests, actually? So, oh my god. Okay, so to unlock Uranus, I think you've got to do all of these. So, that's going to take quite a while. Because as we can see, save Stardust. You need 9 sextillion, I'm guessing that is. So, that's going to take a lot of grinding off camera, I think, because that's quite a lot of stuff. But what I'll do is, in between episodes, I will just level everything up, and then I'll probably get us to the end of this stage first before we unlock Uranus at the end. So, okay, so that's plenty of grinding. But yeah, guys, I think we'll get Jupiter done first before we finish up. So yeah, we're almost there actually. So that's cool. Yeah, we're nowhere near unlocking Enceladus yet. That's very, very expensive. Okay. So how are we doing? Actually, we could look at the star grid while we can start looking at stuff. So increase gas planets. So that's astronomy mission speed. Comet speed. We haven't even got a comet yet. Scorpio. What was this one? Dwarf planet. Yeah, we don't even really have any. Asteroid speed. Oort cloud. We're nowhere near that. Increase click power. Gas planet. I guess we could work on the gas planets, really. I mean, yeah. We'll do that. So yeah, we'll start working on that. So that's all of the stars. So we're going to invest in Tarius next. So that's good. Okay, gold thing. Thank you. Okay, so we can upgrade Jupiter to the next level. So there it goes. Done. So that gives us more dark matter. Okay, so next quest is Ceres and Mercury. We could do Ceres straight away. Mercury, we can't do you just yet, but we've done Ceres. Oh, we need to do Ceres twice. So okay, we've done that. Other stuff, we need to do Callisto and collect dark matter. Can we do Callisto yet? Oh, we can do one Callisto, 2 Callistos. So we can do 2 levels of Callisto. And I think as well we'll just invest in everything just to get everything. Oh yeah, we can invest loads in that. Okay, so everything that cost a QA we can buy. So perfect. I mean, because they're such small numbers to us now, so we can just get all of those done. So that'll just produce loads of stuff. Get Saturn done as well, actually. Alright, perfect. So that's just making loads of stuff now. Oh, yes. So that's making good progress. Saturn again, Ganymede. So yeah, I mean, upgrading the cheaper ones, I mean, that just helps us in the long run, really. So that is good. Asteroid belt, let's throw it in. Man, that's crazy, right. I wouldn't mind getting Enceladus unlocked before we finish today. Just so we got everything we've unlocked in this episode all together before we move on to the next episode. So yeah, we're gonna finish with Enceladus, I think. So yeah, definitely need to get Enceladus. That's cool. Okay, any other things here? Actually, I think we'll treat ourselves to another star. We'll go have a nice dwarf star. So we've got one of each. We've brought one of each today. So there you go. Okay, let's see if we get any new cards that we can use to upgrade things. And was that enough to twick anything over? I don't think it was. No, okay. We got a little boostage though. I want to know what this card here is. I'm guessing that's another sun card. I don't know if it's a sun card actually. It looks more like above its Mercury than the sun. I'm not sure. Right, okay. Okay, we're almost enough at... Oh, we're almost... Yeah, we're going Enceladus. One of the orbit... I think Saturn just completed and it gave us a load of currency, so that's cool. So Enceladus is done. But I kind of want to upgrade Enceladus so we can get that... I want to get it so it generates stuff while we don't have to do anything. Oh, look how expensive Enceladus is. 100! Oh my gosh. But I mean, I can click Enceladus like that and it just gives us loads. I mean... But look, you can see when I click the background, I only get 589 trillion. But when I do... this, it actually gives me more, so I can just speed boost that, I guess. So that's pretty much automated with me clicking it. But to upgrade, we need 100. So is it worth trying to go for it? I mean, we are going pretty quick here. I mean, do we try and get it automated before the end of today? I think we do need to. I think we got to. So yeah, we're definitely gonna go. We're definitely gonna go for it. So how's everything else doing? Do we just go straight to it? You think? So how much was Enceladus? It was. 103. Oh, so okay, I think we can go for it. I think we can definitely go for that. So look how much we're making a second. So we're making about 130 a second there. Well, it's gone down again. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, how are we doing on the research as well? I think we were quite close to... Okay, so Mimas is almost done again. So that's going to give us another discount, actually. So maybe I should wait for Mimas to finish, and then it will give me a discount with Enceladus. So then we can spend a little bit of extra doing something else afterwards before we finish today, actually. So, yeah, that sounds like a plan. So we just need to wait for Mimas to end in 2 minutes' time, and that will give us, give us a nice discount, actually. So, okay, how else are we doing here? So, Earth, Europa, Io. I mean, we can just we just level up everything together and just beat the missions. But yeah, that Save Stardust one is 9 sextillion. I think that's sextillion. So that's that is insane. That is absolutely insane. Oh man. Okay. Saturn's got a boost. Let's go. Yes, there you guys. That's going to be it. That's going to give us a very, very nice helping hand there. And I guess while that's doing that, we'll just keep Enceladus. Just keep Enceladus. And I can click the keyboard at the same time, so I can just generate as much as possible here. That's good. As another gold thing. Thank you. Cool. So we've got 30 seconds till Mimas is done, so that will give us the discount we need for Enceladus. I'm assuming it does it for all of them. Because like I said earlier, I think Titan got a discount when we upgraded Mimas. So I will just, we'll have to wait and see. So right now, Enceladus costs 103. But once Mimas finishes, will it go down? Mission complete. So that's 103. Can you remember that number? Done. Okay, and then we'll research it again. Okay, so how much does it cost now? 100. Oh, no, it still costs 103. Okay, so it is just for Saturn. And I'm sure Titan got cheaper earlier, though. I'm not sure. Huh, interesting. Okay, but we're almost there. Another gold thing. Yes, thank you. Right, we're at 90. So I guess we'll just go the final push for 103. Let's go. Just spam click the keyboard. Come on, let's go, 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 go. It's going to take a bit of time. We need to wait for Saturn to complete another orbit, because Saturn gives us loads. Look, it gives us 6.2 QI. So that's 1 minute. After 1 minute 17, actually. Whoa, that's good stuff. How's the... how are we doing on the grid here? Okay. Oh, a nice lineup of all the planets there. You had Venus, Earth, Mars. I think Vesta was involved. And I think Jupiter and Saturn are all in a nice line there as well. Actually, what we can do is we can reverse that. Can't we? Yeah. Ah, hey. So you can see the planets are in quite a cool little alignment there. If we, where are we? Let's just try and get them to align again. It's cool how you can reverse things, but there was quite a cool lineup of sort of everyone, involved. Here we go. So we'll have to... even Mercury was getting involved. But if you look behind, you had Mercury, Venus was in the sky, Earth, there's Saturn over there, Mars is there. I mean, yeah, they're in a pretty good alignment. I mean, yeah, you can see Mercury and Venus, they're aligning with Jupiter. And you've got Earth involved as well. But yeah, there's a nice little alignment with all the planets there. That's quite a cool thing you can spot for in this game. Just spot the alignments when the planets meet up. That's cool. But speaking of other stuff, Enceladus, you are done. So, buy a rank. Yes, please. I'm hoping this is going to give us the card we need to automate it. Yes, here we go. Right, what do we got? The E-ring. The E-ring is the widest and outermost ring of Saturn. Enceladus orbits inside this ring and plumbs material from the moon, maybe a main source of the particles that form in the ring. Because the geysers, for instance, or geysers, however you want to say them, on Enceladus, they shoot up material into the E-ring. So it does fuel the rings with extra material. Oh, we got another one. High albedo. Albedo is a measure of the solar reactivity of a celestial object's surface. Objects with a high albedo appear brighter. Enceladus' icy surface gives it a high albedo because it's very reflective, but its closeness makes it even brighter due to the rings of Saturn, so it makes it harder to spot. Cool. Right, so there we go. So this increases Enceladus' payout, then this will automate it. Perfect. So that gives us unlimited time with Enceladus. Awesome, so that is where we are going to pretty much finish for today's video, guys, but we'll just buy stuff as well before we finish. So, what's the cheapest? So, series, that was that one done, so we can get that just sort of done straight away as well. So that gives us another Red Dwarf, some more cards, perfect. So we can upgrade the moon as well, throw that in there. Europa, Ganymede. And that is everything we can buy at the moment. So that's going to... Look how quick it's growing now. Oh, Titan, let's go. Okay, that's good. So we can see the payouts of them are beautiful. Saturn's about to level up as well, actually. So we'll wait for Saturn to quickly tick over, see if we can buy anything with that. So that is awesome. So Saturn, give us some stuff. Saturn, there you go. Nice boost. Can we buy anything with that? Yeah, IO. There you go. Cool. Alright, so yeah, enough of me babbling on though, guys. We will finish off for real this time. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed today's episodes. We have discovered the Saturn system and now we're working towards Uranus, which we'll hopefully get next episode. So I'll leave this game going throughout the week, because obviously I won't be filming for another week now. So maybe I'll log on every so often and just level up things just so we can make more Stardust. But yeah, let's stay tuned, guys, for the next part. And yeah, if that all said and done, make sure you have a great day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.